Flint water crisis. Michigan's Attorney General has filed civil lawsuits against 2 companies linked to Flint's water crisis. The AG saying they, quote, botched their work, and he wants to set up a trust fund to pay for damages for years to come. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner is live in Flint with this breaking story for us. Jim.
Joanne, the AG describes this trust fund similar to what was set up down in the Gulf of Mexico with the BP oil spill. Hundreds of millions of dollars could be at stake here. And here is the lawsuit, civil lawsuit filed this morning up here in Flint, Genesee County. The 2 companies are Veolia, a global firm based in France, and Lockwood, Andrews, and Newnham, based in Houston, Texas. Now, check it out. Both of these companies were paid consultants here in the city of Flint, hired by the emergency manager who's appointed by Governor Rick Snyder. The Attorney General alleges they could have known, should have known, and should have alerted people to the dangers of the Flint River water being used for drinking water. The switch was made back in 2014 away from the Detroit water system to save money. The river was more corrosive. It was not properly treated and caused lead to leach into the drinking water in this city of 100,000 residents. Another expert is on the Attorney General's team, an attorney also with Wayne State University ties. He's an environmental legal expert. He says long-term health effects will last for years in Flint.
In Flint, Veolia and Land were hired to do a job and failed miserably. They failed miserably in their job, basically botched it, didn't stop the water in Flint from being poisoned.
The cost of poisoning Flint with lead is going to continue to play out for years and decades. The expenditures being made in 2016 are really, sadly, just the beginning.
Now, we have gotten responses from both of these companies mentioned in this suit. Veolia says they're disappointed that these are unwarranted allegations, and they will vigorously defend this lawsuit in court. Land, the Houston-based company, says they advised corrosion control, that it should have been used. They are improperly accused, and they will also defend themselves. Attorney General also says his criminal investigation will continue. So far, they've charged 3, 2 state officials, 1 city of Flint official. And he's also saying, and his team is saying, get this, that Governor Rick Snyder and his office not cooperating with this ongoing investigation, and state and city officials who are called in under investigative subpoenas, they've lawyered up and clammed up. More on all of this later today. For now, I'm live in Flint. Jim Kurtz, 7 Action News.
Wow, big news there, too. Jim, thanks so much. We look forward to more on later editions of Action News.